do this little short scene here, cleaning out my closet. Hope you enjoy it.
Get up, Corey, right now. Get up and get this room clean, that closet out. I'm gonna need you to get that pile up over there. Look at all of this stuff over here that you've been, things you may have that are too small, things that you want to give away, things that you just plain don't get rid of because it's just junk.
Welcome to Moody's Mixer, winner of prostate cancer. We got another special edition. Hey, everything's a special edition here, but so Saturday mornings in my house was typically cleaning day. It's cleaning my closet out. Things on Saturday mornings, we didn't always have to clean our closet out. We used to just throw the stuff in the closet and the closet pile up. That's where we could hide stuff. At least once a week we had to clean the room, so when Mom opened the door, at least the room was clean, rug, vacuumed, and you can tell it was clean. But the closet didn't get cleaned every week. Or Mom was just like, this is the week we're doing it. So sometimes that closet wasn't always up to me when it got clean. On this journey right now, one of the things I've been trying to do with my life is just clean my own closet. And it's not that everything in my closet is bad. There are some jewels in your closet when you come to clean it out. You find your baseball card collection, you find your stamp collection, you find some things that you've been looking for. Then there's things in there you see, you're like, let me throw this stuff away. I don't need this. My parents taught me was everything's a process. Nothing just happens on its own. You have to work towards no matter what it is. How easy or how hard it is, you got to put the work in. And so this journey is teaching me about this closet. What's been in my life. My past makes me who I am today. Sometimes I know we can be ashamed of maybe what happened in that past. And what I learned about cleaning out my closet, there's always things and memories that are in there. And the piles I made were things I wanted to keep, things I need to get rid of, things I don't want to get rid of, I have to get rid of. Those piles sometimes can look gray. Don't always know what pile it is. And sometimes that same item changes piles. This one is getting rid of some things very hard to get rid of. But I also found some treasures in there. Cleaning out your closet is not always a bad thing. When I got that diagnosis, I felt it was time to clean my closet. And I've been constantly trying to clean this closet out. It's been difficult. And not difficult always because of me having to make a hard decision. Understanding the impact that it may have on others when you clean your closet out. Me doing this podcast right now has always been a little difficult for me. And I have these moments where I don't want to do it anymore. Because I almost feel like I'm not worthy to do it. But I know I have to press on. That probably had no idea that they had a great impact on my life. Those are the things I find in my closet. Also people that been in your life, that come back in your life. And things you just don't know sometimes till you kind of clean it out completely. And when you get there, the toughest part of this journey, I mentioned before, getting cancer news hasn't been the hardest news to receive. Not even top 5 in my life. And even in the top 5, it's not even bad. There's some great things in my life. See, cancer cannot replace the great things in my life as a point of importance or impact on my life. So there's some things that as I clean my closet out, I'm just hoping impacts and improves this journey I'm on. I've never been or felt so close to God as I do right now on this day, February 22nd, 2023. Getting up out of bed like I've done 61 years in my life and got some stuff to do. It has nothing to do with cancer. Cancer's done with in my life. Cancer did what it was supposed to do, and that's to wake me up. But it made me make some choices that now I have to walk through. And so, Mom, I just need you to help me get through cleaning this closet. And what's helping me clean my closet are those Saturday mornings we had when you reigned supreme in the house. That's when Dad left. Dad went to do something else and left me and my brothers to you. But it was a beautiful time. It was a time for you to show us your strength. And that's what you did. And that's why this journey is going the way it's going. And it's such a great journey that I'm on. And Mom, I want to thank you. So let's clean this closet out. I hear you knocking on the door, telling me to get up. Mom, tell me whatever you want to tell me.